Yes, good morning class 10th. Today 19th August, class 10th in your maths class, we will discuss about the chapter 5th in continuation of chapter 5th. Now the topic is introduction to arithmetic progression. Okay, so in last class we were discussed about the sequence and type of sequence. Now come to the arithmetic progression. Now come to the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, in short, we can say that AP. So in any sequence, arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between the terms is always same. So what is arithmetic progression? So arithmetic progression is a sequence in which the difference between the terms is always same. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, in this sequence, the first term that is denoted by A, which is 2. Now, there are number of terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, number of terms always denoted by N, that is 6. The last term denoted by L, which is 12. What type of this sequence? This is a definite finite sequence. Finite sequence. Okay. Now the difference between. So find the difference. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 12 minus 10, 2. So, how can we find the difference between the terms? First we subtract first term from the second term from the third term from the fourth term from the fifth term, and finally fifth term from the sixth term. Okay? Then we have to find that the difference between each and every term is same, that is 2. So, it is called difference. Means small d, that is 2. So, in arithmetic progression, first term denoted by A, number of terms denoted by N, last term denoted by L, finite sequence, this is a finite sequence, and now difference between the term is small d, which is 2. Okay, so this is an example of arithmetic progression AP. Now, what is the general form of AP? So first we have to discuss about the general form. So in this manner, general form of AP. If A is the first term, D is the difference, that's why the second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth is A plus 3D. In this order, the last term is A plus N minus 1 into D. N is the number of terms. Okay. So this is general form of AP. A is first term. D is common difference. And n is number of terms. Okay, so you have to revise all the things: arithmetic progression, types of arithmetic progression, and general form of arithmetic progression. Okay, goodbye.